Is it the same kind of this? Yeah.
I'm gonna try Pop Rocks for the first time.
Alright, now dip it in here. Did you lick it good?
See how this goes.
Okay, you got them. Now put them in your mouth. I hear it.
Is that fun?
Okay.
Wanna try it again?
Get some more. Okay, put it in your mouth.
Ooh, that was a good one. That blew out a filling. Yay! It's not seafood though. Yay!
Some more?
No.
Oh, Rich is just getting this straight out of there now. Woo! Get.
I need this.
Ridges, do you hear Ridges?
Wow,
I hear mine.
I hear yours, yeah. You still got carrot.
Hear mine?
I do.
I hear it. You get more?
Alright, Health Food Nation, here we come. Ooh! Good fun. Alright. Anna, can you say Pop Rocks? Close enough.
Can you say thank you, Miss Gail?
I just wear.
You're welcome, Anna! Give her a big smile. Say thank you!
I